recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today, we're going to show you how to make a mushroom using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Fold your square paper in half diagonally to create a crease, then unfold it. Step 2. Fold the outer edges of the paper inward to meet the center line. Step 3. Now turn your paper over and make a step fold. Step 4. Fold the paper to make a crease and then fold it back. Step 5. Open the left part as such. Do the same with the right side. This part is a bit tricky though. Step 6. Fold the base and the mushroom cap's edges to complete the shape. Turn your paper over and we now have a completed mushroom shape. Step 7. Color the mushroom cap red, pink, or brown, and don't forget to give it spots for a more aesthetic appeal. And there you have it, a whimsical mushroom origami. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!